Does your tin hit your thighs when you walk?
My dandy.
Hello guys.
Hello guys, what's up guys?
Welcome back to our channel. My name is Esther and
I am Daodu.
yeah. So today we're gonna be doing like a Q&A video. I think it's a Q&A video, right?
Yeah, I think it's a Q&A video.
I'm going to be asking them questions. Girls are kind of afraid or not very comfortable asking guys. So I am not very comfortable asking some of these questions. So I just wrote them down like, okay, let me ask some of these questions and make a video about it. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.
So it's basically like random questions
Yeah.
girls are shy or afraid to ask guys, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like as a guy generally or something.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Or like personally.
Okay, I'll try my best.
All right, guys. So let's go into the first one. Are you ready?
Okay, let's go.
Does your tin hit your thighs when you walk?
My dandelion. I talking about my dandelion.
I don't know.
Does it in my thighs?
Does it hit your thighs when you walk? Or it just stays like...
It just stays in one spot. Actually, I don't know. It doesn't actually. Question is kind of tricky, but thing is, but if you're putting on pants, it kind of holds your tight, and it holds it tight, kind of. Yeah. But if you're putting on like boxers, kind of like short, yeah, it kind of dangles sometimes, but not dangle like
bell,
like bell, and no, not dangle like that. Yeah. But sometimes but most times I feel it just stays in one spot. I don't know. Yeah. Why are you acting weird now? Strange.
Because yeah, so that's the thing about this. It's kind of weird asking those kind of questions and the reply.
My dandelion doesn't dangle.
The next question is like, do guys like PDA?
PDA, that's public
Display affection.
That's kind of tricky.
Okay.
Actually, it depends on the kind of guy. I won't say all guys like PDA and all guys don't like PDA. But I think it depends on the kind of guy. Some guys do, some don't. But for me, I think I do. I can just, this question is like for my own self. I can, on behalf of my own self, I think I do.
I know
like
you
PDA,
do.
Yeah. I like PDA. I like displaying my affection in public. So that's DAP, DAP. Displaying my affection in public, DAP.
Okay.
Yeah,
nice.
so for some guys they don't. I don't know their reasons. I don't know. Maybe they have their own personal reasons for it.
Why, right?
Yeah, but for me, I think I do. That's it.
Okay, nice.
Cool.
Next one, like, why do guys like sports so much? Why do guys like sports so much?
Sports. For me, any guy that doesn't like, I'm sorry. I'm not like gender, whatever. Any guy that doesn't like sport, any sport.
Don't say it. I don't want trouble.
So if you like, what's my business? I'm saying my mind. Any guy that doesn't like any sport is kind of gay to me. I don't know. But personally, I feel you kind of gay. See, listen, we have a lot of sports. Like, I feel we have a lot of sports, and at least you should like one. If you don't like soccer, football, you should like basketball. And if you don't like basketball, you should like table tennis, or you should like boxing, or you should like something. Why would you stay as a guy and not like sport? Then what do you like? Fashion.
Yeah, fashion, exactly.
You can like fashion. I like fashion, I like movies, but I also love sports. So you can go. Sports is for like physical sports. So it's just something related to guys. I don't know. I think sport is physical. It's a guy thing. Yeah. So I think you should like sport as a guy. If you don't, then trust me. But we guys, then we love sports. Like for me, she knows. Sometimes I get up like 2 a.m., 3 a.m.
just to watch football, just to watch if they're playing. I don't know. Sometimes it's very annoying because at the end of the day, he has to go to work. Like wake up early to go to work, then he sleeps like 4 a.m. or 3 a.m.
It's
after
called
watching.
passion. Trust me, sport is everything to guys. That's why I'm surprised if there's any guy that doesn't like. While growing up, it's very common for we guys to like sports. Like, we play sports every time. We watch sports. Going to viewing center is always interesting. Talking about sports is like breathtaking. And you now come as a guy and say, I don't like sport. You came out. So that's it.
Okay, and a girl just be friends.
A guy and
Why
a
is
girl.
What's a reaction like that? Yeah.
Can a guy and a girl
and
be
a girl
friends?
be friends? Like, have you as my bestie, and we're not dating or anything.
And
You're
guys
not
are
my
not dating.
brother.
You're not a brother and just a friend. This question is very tricky. Actually, it's very tricky. You guys are so close and you're like best friends, besties. Then it's tricky. I don't know. Some guys do it and they're fine with it. Some guys are in a relationship and they have female best friend and their girlfriends are cool with it. It's fine. Everybody has their reason for doing things. But for me, I think it's a no for a guy. For some people, it might be okay, but for me, it's a no. She knows I don't have best female friends. Even male friends, I don't think I have best friends. I just have friends. But female, I just have friends, random friends. Mostly from my secondary school days or probably one gathering or something like that. Not call and all. I've spoken for too long. That's it.
Okay, thanks. What do you guys do when you're with their friends? Like, what do you guys do when you're with your friends? What do you talk about when you're with your friends? You guys kind of gist about like girls, like for instance, talk about like your girlfriend.
Why should we talk about you people? Wait, what you guys? Wait. What do you guys think? You guys are like hyping yourselves. So you mean to tell me and my friend now will come together and I will say, guy, my babe. Okay, if I mention my babe now, what should I say? Guy, my babe, she's kissing me very well. It's not sounding weird to you yourself. Trust me, for guys, I don't know what some other guys do, but for me or my friends, we don't talk. I don't think I've ever. The only time probably you talk about your girlfriend is probably when you guys are having ish. Probably when you and your girlfriend are having like some problems and probably arguing and all. Then your friend ends up noticing and all. That's when you guys end up waiting. What's wrong between you and
your friend
and your
like
babe? I know, and you're like, oh. We mostly talk about games. We mostly talk about life in general, how we can help ourselves as a person. I feel that's what we talk about. We don't talk about our girlfriends' wives. I don't think guys talk about their wives. I don't think so. So I know we don't. And if you are friends with a single guy that's not in a relationship or anything,
okay,
then you might end up talking about girls.
Just like to push the guy to.
No, yeah, you might end up talking about girls, like not your own girlfriend, but a random girl, because you can have a crazy single friend that's like, guy, I saw one girl yesterday. Her house is very big, very nice. Oh, her boobs is very solid and everything. You might be forced to talk about it.
Okay.
Yeah, you might just be forced to like, so you don't make the guy feel like, oh, me, I'm in a relationship now, you are off skid and you are out of this thing. So you just try as much as you can to just involve yourself in the gist and all. So that's it.
That's what you guys
That's
do.
what with single friends. But once you are talking with, if you are talking with a guy with in a relationship, then I don't think we just talk about sports.
Random things.
Trust me,
Not your
random, not our
girlfriend.
girlfriends. Trust me, we talk about a lot of random things.
Okay. So to the next, get the guy's attention.
Hey, how can you get our attention? Very easy. I don't know about some guys though. It's very easy. Just come out with your cleavage showing outside. Just come out with your boobs showing outside. Come out looking beautiful, like extremely beautiful. Come out wearing skimpy dresses, wearing short gowns, skimpy dresses and all. Trust us. Our attention is all yours. We'll give you our attention. Like,
You say your attention is all yours.
this is our attention.
Take it.
Take it. So if you want to get our attention, it's very easy. Trust me, guys. I don't know about some guys. Some will
But
claim like,
aside from like the whole dressing thing,
how do you want to get someone? Do you want to be cooking on the street so we'll notice you cooking on the street? Or do you want to be kneeling down on the street greeting everybody? Good morning, good morning, good morning. I was like, oh, that girl is polite. She's really polite. I can notice her. For Christ's sake, no.
Ew.
So that's it.
Like, what turns guys off? Like, what's a turn off for guys?
Turn off. I think for me, I think there are a lot of things that turn guys off.
But you can't speak like
not generally. Depends on the type of guy. Some guys might be mouth. Is it like physically or like generally?
Generally.
Like if you say physically, like some guys like turn off like mouth odor.
Okay.
They turn off body odor is a turn off. Then girls that blabs a lot, that talks a lot, sometimes can be a turn off for some guys. And I don't know. Yeah.
Why are guys' skin like always very smooth?
Is my skin smooth? I don't know.
Well, at least you guys go without makeup and all that, and
It's simple. You just answer the question yourself. We don't go out with makeup because we expose our skin to natural sunlight. We expose our skin to water. We don't expose our skin to chemicals. That's the truth. I don't know. Trust me, I know some guys that don't even cream. Like, they don't apply these body lotions and all. But girls, you guys, you rub pomade, you rub body lotion, you rub foundation, cement, concealer, blockage.
that's not true, babe. You don't
You
rub
apply
blockage.
lipsticks. All these things are they contain different chemical compounds that end up reacting with your body.
Thank you. Okay, we understand.
I don't want to go into scientific terms.
It's okay. Don't
but-
go into it.
Okay, to be like let's be serious, but to be sincere, I think generally we don't apply
Too much stuff on your
too
face.
much chemicals on our face. Let me just put that. We don't apply chemicals on our face. We are just natural. Guys are if a guy is fine, he's fine. If he's not, he's not. Like simple. Like ladies now, you can apply makeup and adjust your face, and at night you off the light and all to deceive us. But trust me, once a guy the guy you see in the morning, you see him at night. Even if you off the light, if you switch off the light, it's the same. So that
Do guys, it's similar to the other one. Do guys like girls that like use so much makeup or that use makeup or something?
Some guys will tell you. Actually, I think generally from what I've seen like on social media and everything, I think some guys actually don't like girls that apply too much makeup. Yeah, I think so. I think personally I don't. Come out. Own it.
It's okay. We
proud of
it.
Accept it. Showcase your face.
Yes.
So that's it. So that
This video, we've come to the end of this video. Those are the questions I have that I wanted to ask him. And maybe next time we're going to do like the reverse of it.
yeah.
You
So
can think of questions you
that
want to
girls,
ask
yeah.
girls, yes, and then ask me
that
and make
really
a
be
video about it.
cool. I have a lot of questions.
You. Anyway, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, follow us on Instagram. If you're not following us on Instagram, please follow us on Instagram.
Please. On Instagram.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much for our videos. We love you. See you in the next one.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
Chop, chop.